And for all the snow lovers out there, we had a nice little teaser this morning. That was pretty sweet. The season's first snowfall. There's a view from Louise Davis there in Crozet, and here's a shot of the snow falling lightly this morning in Stanton. Nice to whiten the ground for a little while. It kind of melted pretty quickly like cotton candy. Let's take a look at our time lapse from our Charlottesville camera. There we are this morning shortly after 8 o'clock and then beyond. The snow melting. Saw a little bit of sun, but a lot of clouds kind of filled back in, and we're still under the influence of a lot of cloudiness across the region at this hour. Now the airport made it up to 42 today. It's currently 37 there, 33 in Madison, 32 in Weir's Cave, 29 currently in Stanton. So we've got a cold overnight. Most of the road surfaces should be dry, but there could be a few little icy patches early tomorrow morning as we settle widespread in the 20s across the region. After that cold start, we've got a brisk and a chilly day here for Tuesday. We should see a lot more in the way of some sunshine, but only in the low 40s across the valley, middle 40s here across central Virginia. So you factor in a little bit of wind, it's going to feel more like it's in the 20s and 30s, and the winds will be breezy tomorrow. We'll have northwesterly winds. We could have some gusts, maybe up to 15, 20 plus miles an hour here during the day. As we move into Wednesday, we could begin with a period of cloudiness in the morning and then giving way to sunshine. Temperatures will get close to around 50, and that's pretty seasonable. And then we could turn a little bit milder as we head into the late week with more sunshine to enjoy. So things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. This is a 12-hour loop, so we're seeing some of the snow from this morning. We were on the northern edge of the system that passed through the Carolinas. It's now offshore. Still some lingering showers across eastern North Carolina. And there have been a few flakes kind of mixed in spots. But even though we have high pressure farther out to the west, we're still under the influence of a trough or dip in the jet stream. That's allowed the cooler air to filter in. You can even see that with the current numbers diving all the way down into portions of the southeast. So this trough or dip in the jet stream is still overhead tonight. During the day tomorrow, it'll be on Wednesday we start to make that transition as it begins to retreat, and a ridge starts to build by the end of the week that we'll start to see those temperatures come back up. So temperatures in the morning will start widespread in the 20s, a cold start, still a breezy, chilly day tomorrow, but we should see more in the way of sunshine. We're in the 40s. Then we'll start temperatures in the 20s here Wednesday morning. Could begin with a period of cloudiness. It's kind of the leading edge, a wind shift, if you will, as temperatures will begin to moderate a bit more as we head into Wednesday afternoon, topping out either side of 50. For tonight then, partly cloudy, brisk and cold, temperatures in the 20s. Again, there could be a few little icy spots early tomorrow morning. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Chilly and breezy here for Tuesday, and then as we progress through the rest of the week, we'll start to see those temperatures come up a bit more. Currently, the next storm system looks to bring rain in here later Saturday. Right now could linger at least into Sunday morning.